First right-click the game you want to repair. Select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the game to be fixed. Close the windows and launch your game. If that didn't work, first open Steam. Click on Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the Download section. Click on Steam Library Folders. Select your folder. Right-click it and select Repair Library Folder. Press Yes. Now wait for Steam to be repaired.